Here we are. This is day 2 of CamaroFest, initially day 1. So we are here, Beach Bend, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Beach Bend. Wife is changing her shoes out. Have one of the tracks behind us, and we're about to go do some walking. Got a small lineup of cars right now throughout the front. 6th gens, 5th gens, 4th gens, 3rd gens, 2nd gens, and the original moderator of them all, 1st gens, are here on site. So we're going to take in the activities, probably shoot a couple of clips, take a couple of photos for the video, and we're going to do our best to enjoy ourselves. There's the wife waving. We're going to do our best to enjoy ourselves, meeting some very nice people, and going to have a good day. So this is Jason, aka Mr. Lee, BKA Wild and Free. Check it out. We about to catch James online car show. About to catch James, give it a run. See what he's gonna do. .4, 105 miles an hour. That's not bad for an all-stock car.
I'm not used to Pro Tree. I'm used to the beginner setup where it goes yellow, 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 green.
Yeah, this one's just straight green.
Yeah, it's like stage green.
That one went to the blue car in the right lane. Just showing you guys a little footage of the drag action. You heard online car show in the background. Right lane.
I got the left. I got this right here.
Right lane.
Yeah, that would be the right lane.
Come on, baby. Get that. Yeah. What's up, everyone? It's me, and as you can see, I am surrounded by a bunch of eye candy here at Bowling Green, Kentucky. CamaroFest8. Cars on cars on cars on cars. Of course, Camaros on Camaros on Camaros on Camaros. Lots of horsepower, lots of flash, lots of bling bling, and a whole bunch of lights. Stay tuned.
I forgot a whole bunch of cha-ching.
A lot more to come. Oh, and the missus just said, I forgot a whole bunch of cha-ching. She is definitely right about that. This is what's going to get me in trouble. The cha-ching part. Stay tuned, more to come.